Hello everyone. This is a demo on how to use the enhanced quoting feature on project opportunities. On Once you have your project opportunity completely filled out, including your items and your bidders and their contacts, this button will show up. In order to create your quote, you would click this button. You would select your form. In this case, we're quoting for Mechanical Solutions, so we use Mechanical Solutions form. We would check what contractors we want to create the quote for. So in this case, we're just going to create all of them. Hit Create Quote. Once the quotes are created, it would pop up process successfully. Then you can hit Go Back, which will take you to back to the project opportunity. Two new buttons pop up. You have an update quote and a quote email. If you wanted to look at your quotes, they're located here under bidders, contractors quotation, and there are your three quotes. If we wanted to make an update to say two of these quotes, let's say to the Gallo and the Bernhard quote, we can go edit the project opportunity, go to items, change this price, let's say to $3. Okay, save. Use our update quote button. We can select just these two quotes and then hit update quote. Once successful, it would only update just those two quotes, which would mirror our project opportunity. If you look here, those two quotes are now $3, and the one for BCS remained at $2. Now, if we wanted to, at this point now, email that quote out, we can click our email quote button. And then you'd have this screen where you can, so create quote email is just a new email template or new quote template. And you have the options here. You can select a scope, a group, or the standard quote. In this case, we'll just send out the scope. We'll select all these. So this will be from the sales rep, Mac, and then from Keith, and then from Mac for this quote. It will copy your customer contact for each, and it will copy your sales rep. So these can be sent out by anybody in the organization, and it will come from the sales rep that's tied to that account. You also have a CC option, which you can type in with a semicolon to separate the CCs. If you wanted to add another one, you could do that there. Then you would hit send email. So once that's done, I would say successful. And an email will go through just on that quote. So if I go to that quote that I sent out, which should be here, in the Files and Communications tab on that quote, it will have the email where it was sent out. So in this case, it was sent out. It was by Mac to Justin, and then it was copied to me, and it also went out to Mac. This will have your attachment of your scope, and it will also have your message for that quote. That should cover everything here. If there's any questions, we can review this video, or you reach out to me or a manager on your team.